Now, the legislature is in session this week. There is another protest in the works for Thursday at the Capitol, with legislators debating whether to continue allowing guns on the Capitol grounds. Governor Whitmer addressing the online rhetoric against her. Mara McDonald, live downtown tonight. Mara, there was a meeting about the issue today. It ended early, really because it got ugly.
Well, that's right, Devin. It's called the Michigan Capitol Commission, and it is the body that oversees the actual physical building of the Capitol. And they had a meeting to discuss whether they can ban guns there or not. No decision, but that's partly because they had to end the meeting early because they got Zoom bombed by people making inappropriate remarks. Armed protesters at the Capitol in the last 2 weeks had some fearing for their safety, including one Detroit senator who put on a bulletproof vest while she was sitting on the Senate floor. It sparked the debate over whether to ban guns from the building and whether the rhetoric around the governor's closure of the state is fomenting violence.
I'll just say this. As I said, many times I know that people are frustrated. And I am very disappointed that the Capitol Commission didn't take action today to keep legislators safe. We've heard a lot of stories of legislators who are very fearful of going to work after scenes that we've seen play out here. I'm concerned about the safety of people who continue to demonstrate and congregate without wearing masks and without best practices. And I'm increasingly concerned about the violent nature of the extreme comments that are being made around these organizations and groups that are coming together.
The Michigan Capitol Commission, which oversees the building, met today to go over the issue, but got differing legal opinions on whether they are the ones who can say yes or no to guns in the building.
The Capitol Commission does not set public policy. The legislature does.
The Attorney General disagrees with that assessment. The meeting on the issue got Zoom bombed by people being inappropriate and obscene, so the meeting ended early with no final decision. Back here live. So basically what we're hearing out of the Capitol Commission is they've got an opinion from the Attorney General, then they have got their own legal counsel who works for the Senate Republicans giving her legal counsel. They would like to have somebody who is not affiliated politically to come in here and give them an opinion on whether they do have the authority to ban guns on the Capitol grounds. Realizing, of course, there is another protest that is in the works for this week, likely Thursday. It is unclear whether any of those armed protesters, some of which describe themselves as militia members, are going to be in attendance. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald. Devin, Kimberly, back to you.
Well, Mara, with that protest then gaining some steam here, do we have any indication whether they can address or even resolve the issue before Thursday?
I think that's the big question. You know, what they left today with was we're going to try and move expeditiously. Does expeditiously mean we have a decision by Thursday? I think that might be a stretch, but I know they're working on it.
Yeah.
Back to you.
All right, Mara.